Kia Telluride X Headlights Replacement. Headlights, halogen bulb and LED, component location. If you need to replace the headlights, follow these steps. First, you need to remove the front bumper of the vehicle. A detailed guide on how to replace the bumper can be found in the description below this video. Then you need to remove the headlamp assembly, A, by loosening the bolts after separating the wiring mounting clip, B, as shown in the illustration. And finally disconnect the connector from the headlamp. To install the headlights, follow the steps in reverse order. And remember, after replacing the headlights, you will need to adjust them. Turn signal bulb replacement. 1. Remove the headlamps. Refer to the beginning of the video for a detailed walkthrough of this step. 2. Remove the socket, A, by turning it counterclockwise. 3. Remove the bulb from the socket. 4. Install in the reverse order of removal. License plate lamp bulb replacement. 1. Remove the license lamp lens by loosening the screw, as shown in the illustration. 2. Remove the socket, A, by rotating it in the counterclockwise. 3. Replace the bulb. 4. Install in the reverse order of removal. Headlights bulb absorbent replacement. 1. Remove the headlamp assembly. Refer to the beginning of the video for a detailed walkthrough of this step. 2. Remove the dust cap, A, by turning it in the counterclockwise. 3. Remove the bracket, A, by loosening the screws. 4. Replace the absorbent. 5. Remove the dust cover by loosening the screws. 6. Replace the absorbent, as shown in the illustration. LED absorbent replacement. 1. Remove the headlamp assembly. 2. Remove the dust cover, A, by loosening the screws. 3. Replace the absorbent, A. LED driver module, LDM, replacement. 1. Remove the headlamp assembly. 2. Remove the LDM by loosening the screws. 3. Disconnect the LDM connector. 4. Install in the reverse order of removal. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. You can also support its growth by becoming a sponsor. The link is below.